Hello everyone. Very good afternoon to all of you. This is me, Tapash Kumar Pradhan, a student from Political Science. I would like to welcome to all of you to this session of my YouTube channel. How are you everyone? I hope you are fine, fit and well. As you know that we are in this week cover few of the classes of the paper analysis. Along with we also discuss about the environment regarding the uh, air pollution, water pollution, sustainable development goals. So that as your demand, we always having run a Sunday special class in our revision purpose. So similarly, today I am here to with you that I will do with you Sunday special revision of environment. So without delay, let's get start our discussion. So let's start. Uh, According to National Air Quality Index, there are 8 pollutants. So it can be easily converted into a question that which is not a pollutant as per the National Air Quality Index or a pollutant as per the National Air Quality Index. So like PM10, PM2.5, PM means what? PM means what? The particular matters. PM10, PM2.5, NO2 nitrogen oxide, SO2 sulfur dioxide, CO carbon dioxide, ozone, and ammonia and lead. So guys, this are the 8 pollutant as per the National Air Quality Index. Then now I am going to like the new initiative like software. The main work of the software providing the information on air quality, providing information on air quality in the city, especially the software work in the different city that providing the basically air quality of a city. Okay, and so far so the software is concerned, the full form of the software is like system of air quality and weather forecasting research. Yes guys, system of air quality and weather forecasting research is the full form of the software. It is important from the exam point of view that they can ask the question. So what is the full form of the software? So system of air quality and weather forecasting research. Then what is the point source pollution and what is non-point source pollution? So guys, point source pollution means like the that pollution done from the specific area or the specific like source which is identifiable, which is like knowable, that is point source pollutions. For example, if the river is polluted, if you know that what is the source point which leads a result into the river pollution, it is a the industry or it is like agriculture activity, so that is known as the point source pollution. But on the other hand, non-point source pollution, it is anonymity, it is not identifiable, it is we can say that like hidden in nature. Okay, it is very critical to identify that what is the cause or root cause of the pollution of this water body or this like that environment. So this is how the non-point source pollutions. Then I will switch to you the different disease and like their causes. Yes guys, different disease and their causes. So far so the Minamata disease is concerned, it is by the mercury. Okay guys, then nervous systems like problem in nervous systems or deficiency in nervous systems, it is due to the pesticides. Blue baby syndrome and methaglobulin, it is done by the fluoride. Okay guys, so fluoride is also lead to problem to your what na teeth. Yes guys, fluoride is also lead to problem to your teeth, and it is also result into the blue baby syndrome and methaglobulin. Okay, then nitrate, so nitrate result into the lung cancers. Then your like arsenic, so due to the arsenic there is a problem in liver or nervous systems. Yes guys, there is a problem in nervous and the liver. Okay, that is how the different disease and their causes. Okay, different disease and their causes. Then I will switch to you the soil. So far, so the soil is a concern, that soil is a one of the important factor which maintain the balance that it is require in every bit of our life. Okay, and those character, if I talk about characteristics of soil, there is a concept like culprit. This is how mnemonic we basically use to understand the characteristic of the soil. That is how climate, organisms, yes, then your like parent material, then time and topography. Yes guys, climate, you know, that is weather, it is your climate. Then your organism, the organic matter, organic nutrient or organic matter is help to create the soil. Parent material, that the soil basically origin from which like genetic or parent materials. Time, the soil is required too much times to form a soil. And topography, its latitude or its size, its size of the soil is known as topography. So this is how the five characteristics to understand the soil we basically know. Then noise pollution, so there is a like fact you have to remember in noise pollution, that noise pollution in gun shoot, that gun shoot decibel to to basically determine the parameter of the like noise, that which is basically sound determined from which range, and what should be it requires the range, that highlighted known as the basically what we can say that noise. Okay, that is how known as your the noise decibel, basically the dB are the meter. DB are a measurement which measure the noise, we can say that sound. For gun shoot there is a 140, and heavy traffic there is a 80 to 89. Yes guys, heavy traffic 80 to 89. So far, so noise pollution is concerned. Noise pollution result into problem in the reproductivity systems, sleepless, and fatigue and stress, and also it result into, we can say that instability in the minds. Okay, so this is how the things. Then there is a an solid with solid waste management system. So far, so waste management is concerned, there is a two concept like aerobic and anaerobic. So the thing is happen, the management of waste or the thing is happen through the presence of the oxygen, that is known as aerobic condition, and something is happen without the presence of oxygen, that is known as anaerobic basically conditions. Yes, aerobic is oxygen and anaerobic is basically without oxygen. That is how the solid like the in the concept of the solid waste management we study. Then there are the basically the different diseases done by the so different solid waste are basically generated from the different sources. So we will discuss that thing, because they ask the question from the here like match of the following. So let's start. So lead is basically generated from the printed circuit. Yes guys, lead generated from the printed circuit. Mercury generated from the battery. Okay, mercury generated from the battery. Beryllium is generated from the basically methaboards. Yes guys, motherboards, my mistake. Beryllium generated from the motherboards. And the phosphorus and additives is generated from the cathode ray tubes. Yes guys, the monitor of the computer, of old computer, that is cathode ray tubes. Then guys, another concept like which I am going to like to discuss with you, like pyrolysis. What is mean pyrolysis? So pyro means what? So pyro means like heat, pyro means like heat, or lysis means like decompose. So in the temperature to decompose the like basically thermal, okay, the thermal power plant to generate the what we can say that the process of the generation through the temperature in the thermal power plant, that is known as a pyrolysis. Yes guys, the process of the basically heating or the through the temperature, this management of the waste is known as the pyrolysis. Okay, this is how the one concept is like pyrolysis. You can also google it, that what does it mean the pyrolysis. So this is how the all about the today's Sunday special class of the environment, that is the environment issue. Name is environment issue. We study air pollutant, we study water pollutant, we study noise pollution, we study the waste management. Okay, and the like this is how the thing we basically generally study. We study the soil pollution, soil erosion, soil conservation. Okay, so this is all about for these classes of Sunday special. I hope you must have enjoyed these classes, and do with me in that in this process of the study. and I will love to teach to you. And so this is all about from my side for this social classes. And if you like my phone, do subscribe, do press the bell icon, that you will not miss such kind of precious video. And do share with your friend, because guys, sharing is always caring. And thank you, have a nice day. Babaji will help you. Jai Shri Krishna.